Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Sago floor plan. This is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Sago here is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. You get a 3-car tandem garage. You get a loft as well, over 3,300 square foot. And part of this home is designed as a next generation home, meaning 1-bedroom living space kitchenette is a mother-in-law suite, which you can have its own private entrance right here off the side. But we're going to start by walking in the main entrance here on the Sago. And as we walk inside, directly to my left are the stairs going to the upper level. And to the left here, this is that next generation or mother-in-law suite here that you would find. So you've got this living space here. You've got the dining and kitchenette area right here with the dishwasher, the microwave, the fridge. This here would be your laundry space for the next gen suite with the stackable washer and dryer here. And then just past the kitchen area, you have the bathroom with the standalone shower, the commode, and then your sink here. And that leads you into the actual bedroom space here with the bifold closet setup. So this is the next gen or mother-in-law suite that's attached to this home as part of the total square footage and total bedroom and bathroom count. Now coming out into the main areas, you do have a half bath downstairs here with the singular sink and the commode. That way you don't have to go upstairs to use the bathroom. And then it opens up into this nice great room type space here. Off to the right, you've got a pantry right in here. So that's your pantry, one of 2 that you're gonna find in this home. Then we have the garage entry here, which I mentioned it's a tandem garage. So you have 2 spaces up front and then this elongated tandem spot right here. So it's big enough for 3 cars, 2 cars and a golf cart or some extra storage. And we've got the beautiful kitchen here with the white cabinets, the stainless appliance package, your island overlooking your great room area. So you've got all this space right here. And then off to the side here, you have another pantry right here. And this leads us out into your covered lanai space here in the Sago. Now, next we're gonna go take a look at the upper level. So upstairs, you're gonna have the guest bedrooms, the master bedroom, as well as your loft space. So coming up the stairs here, directly off to the left is the loft space. So you've got this nice added room here to utilize however you wish. And this brings us to one of the guest bedrooms here with the dual bifold closets there. And then we're also going to see guest bedroom number 2 here. Again, with the bifold closet. We have guest bedroom 3 right across from it. And then sandwiched right in between both is the guest bathroom here upstairs with the dual sinks, the commode, and now you have that combination tub and shower there. Right across is the actual laundry room here with full-size washer and dryer and plenty of space for added storage. And then that takes us to your master bedroom here. Huge open space here. And off to the side, this is where your master bath is. And we've got your master closet, which is huge here. So here's your master closet. Got a linen closet right here. You've got the dual sinks, the soaking tub, the standalone shower, and then you've got your water closet right here as well. All right, folks, so this is the Sago floor plan. If you're interested in this floor plan, we can help you find this home in many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we really appreciate you watching.